Here's a brief update on the Tesla energy credit reporting cases that I've been handling. I've handled a bunch of them. Let me just mention, I'll give you a brief background. This is a situation where Tesla Energy took over Solar City with their power purchase agreements. They did that in 2017. And then after they took over Solar City, they started credit reporting the full balance of the projected use of these solar packages called power purchase agreements over 20 years, and then putting these large debts onto people's credit reports. So suddenly people woke up one morning and they've got an additional unsecured debt, for $75,000 on the credit report. And it's like, where did this come from? Basically, Tesla started credit reporting, basically estimating 20 years into the future the usage on these power purchase systems, and then just dumping it onto people's credit reports. And it's very damaging. Those of you who know about credit know that putting a big debt, where it's coming out of nowhere right into someone's credit report, can upset what's called the debt utilization ratio, which basically can lower your credit score, can make you less creditworthy. Tesla, several of the cases have settled confidentially. I can't talk about those. I can only talk about the ones that are still going. We put the cases into arbitration. One of the cases is coming up to arbitration very soon, but two of the cases, Tesla dragged its feet for months and did not pay the cost of arbitration, which Tesla was supposed to pay. And so therefore, I went to the arbitration body and said, you need to move these cases back to the courts where we'll get a jury trial and a judge trial and so forth and so on, with a regular court proceeding, as opposed to the arbitration, because as you may or may not know, arbitration often favors the industry, often favors the big corporations. You don't get discovery, you get a single, usually retired judge or arbitrator deciding your case. There can be a lot of problems with arbitration. Arbitration can work, but frankly, I have a lot more confidence in the jury system, and that's why I try most of my cases to jury. In any event, two of the Tesla cases where they put these large speculative estimated debts onto people's credit reports they may be going back to court. It's still up in the air. I will tell you, if you want something to compare this to, why I believe that what Tesla is doing is wrong, it would be like your utility. I have DWP down here in Los Angeles, but Edison, one of the other big utilities, suddenly estimating your future electrical use for 20 years and putting this big debt, unsecured debt, right in the middle of your credit report. It would hurt your credit. It would not represent your day-to-day life as a person who's managing the credit, and it is it is damaging. And so therefore, yes, we are going after Tesla. We're going to continue to go after Tesla, and I will let you know how this goes. Thank you.